guys?
Welcome to the premiere of Random Happenings. My name is Henry.
I'm Dee Dee.
I'm Devin.
And I'm Zach, and we are inviting you guys to join us to see what's happening in Tucson, Disney, and everything in between.
But before we do that, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to know when we go live or post a video.
Like Devin and Zach said, we hope you all come along for this ride as we give you guys our take on all the places that we visit.
We invite you to share our love for Disney, the town we live in, and so many more places that we enjoy exploring as a family.
As you all know, we are in crazy times with what's happening right now, and so we are going to take you back with some of our past trips to Disneyland, and hopefully it just brightens up your day and puts a smile on your face.
Then once everything calms down, hopefully we can get you some new videos of us in Disney, Tucson, and a whole lot more.
Now, let's go see what's happening. What's up, guys? Welcome. What's up, guys?
We started this vlog to invite you to enjoy the... We invite you
Nope.
to... We
No,
invite...
hey.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to the